beware of pride. What is pride? Pride is self-glory, self-importance, yan, self-will. It is your ego. I believe pride always starts with the heart. God is angry with a person with full of pride. Why? Because pride always leads to another sin. Angerness, no, jealousy, what else? Unforgiveness. Hello. That is why the Lord is telling us, remove the pride. Do you know that the root of many toxic emotions is pride as well? If your emotions are toxic, check your pride. Pastor, why pride? What is in the middle of pride? I. What is in the middle of sin? I. There is a common denominator, right? That's why the Lord is telling you, son, my daughter, I have a great plans for you. But get rid of your pride first. So you know what is the cure for this sin? Humility.